In 2025, what's the real difference between a good DevOps engineer and a great one? It's not about memorizing a long list of tools. It's about a roadmap, a battle-tested roadmap. And that's exactly what we are sharing today, the definitive DevOps roadmap for 2025, straight from us at the DevOps community. We are practicing engineers, working on live production systems every single day. This is the path we actually walk. First, your foundation. This part is non-negotiable. You start with Linux and shell scripting. This is the native language of every server. You need to be fluent. Then you master networking fundamentals. How else will you debug the toughest infrastructure puzzles involving DNS, load balancers, or firewalls? And finally, your toolkit. A programming language like Python or Go. This is how you build custom solutions and automate everything. Master these, and you've earned the right to build higher. So, you have your foundation. Now, how do you make sure your code runs the same everywhere? The answer is containers, and that means Docker. It packages your code into a single portable unit, ensuring what you test is exactly what you deploy. But what about running thousands of containers? That's where you need an orchestrator. In 2025, you must master Kubernetes. It is the undisputed operating system of the cloud, automating deployment, scaling, and management to build truly resilient services. Your applications are now ready to scale. So how do you deliver them reliably and fast? The engine of DevOps, automation. You'll build CI/CD pipelines with tools like GitHub Actions or GitLab CI. Think of it as your automated assembly line from code to production. You'll manage your entire infrastructure with code using Terraform. And you'll secure the whole process with DevSecOps, building security in from day one. This isn't theory. This is the real-world workflow we refine every single day. And where does all this happen? The cloud. Pick your platform, AWS, Azure, or GCP, and go deep. But listen, deploying is the easy part. The real challenge is keeping your promise of uptime. This is where monitoring and observability become your superpowers. With tools like Prometheus and Grafana, you learn to see the invisible. We move beyond just monitoring, which tells you a system is down, to observability, which gives you the power to ask why. You'll hunt down bugs before they ever impact users. Great DevOps isn't about shipping code, it's about delivering resilience. Ready to go from great to elite? In 2025, it's all about scale and intelligence. This is where you explore AI ops to predict and resolve incidents before they even happen. You will master GitOps using Git as the single source of truth for your entire system. And you'll dive into platform engineering, building the internal tools that let your developers move at lightning speed. These aren't just buzzwords, this is the future you will be building. Here at the DevOps community, we don't teach from a textbook. We share what we've built, what we've broken, and what we fixed in the real world. We are practicing engineers, helping other engineers succeed. Your journey starts right now. If you're ready to learn from people with proven, hands-on experience, find us on Instagram. Send us a DM with the word roadmap, and let's start building the future together.